Here is a Kia Sorento. Let's go ahead and get started. This child door lock feature is only in the rear door, not the front doors. Let's start with the rear left door, and right over there is a small slot where you have to get this physical key out of the key fob, put it right inside there, and then twist it left to activate the feature. That's it. Now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, if I get on the inside and close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open. So how am I gonna get out? I'm gonna slide over there to the other side, open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. Now open the left side door from outside, put the key inside over there in the slot again, and now just twist your right to deactivate the feature. That's it. Now it's deactivated. Now I can still open it from outside as normal, and on the inside, once I close the door, in the lock position I cannot open, unlock I can open, and that's very good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Same process except for a small change. Over here we have to twist your right to activate the feature. Just follow that arrow. Just put the key in there, twist your right, the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside, no matter what I do, I cannot open. So how am I gonna get out? You already know it. I'm gonna slide over there and open that door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately on both the doors. Now for now, let's just go over here, open this door and get out. Open the right side door from outside, put the key in the slot there, twist it left to deactivate the feature. I can open it from outside, and on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I should not be able to open, unlock, I can open, and that's good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.